माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी।
Please, no slogans in the House. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, with your permission, I, on behalf of my colleague Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against his name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Hansraj Ahir.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्य सूची की क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लेखित दस्तावेज सदन के प्रति रखता हूं।
Sri Kiran Rijju.
To lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name at serial number 3 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Jayant Sinha.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House as mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in the revised list of business for today.
Sri Ajay Tamta.
महोदय, मैं क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के सम्मुख उल्लेखित कागजात को आज की कार्य की संशोधित सूची के अनुसार सदन के पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Sri C.R. Chaudhary.
Chairman, sir, with your kind permission, I lay on the table of the House papers listed against my name as serial number 6 in the revised list of business for today, the 6th February 2019. Thank you, sir.
Reports of Department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Railways. Sri Motilal Vora.
Sir,
one minute.
Sir, with your kind
Sri
permission,
Satish Chandra Misra.
Sir, with your kind permission, I wish to lay the following reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Railways. 24th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 18th report on tourism promotion and pilgrimage circuit. 25th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 21st report on new railway catering policy 2017. Thank you.
Report of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Sri Ram Kumar Verma.
माननीय सभापति जी, आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यावली में मेरे नाम के समक्ष उल्लेखित सितंबर-अक्टूबर 2018 के दौरान अनुसूचित जाति और अनुसूचित जनजाति के कल्याण संबंधी समिति के रांची, हैदराबाद, पुणे और मुंबई के अध्ययन दौरे संबंधी प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद सर।
Statement of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Sri Shamsher Singh Dhullu.
Sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table a copy of the Final Action Committee action taken statement of the government on the recommendation contained in Chapter 1 of the 20th report of the Committee on the Welfare of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes pertaining to the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas on action taken by the government on the 10th report on the status of implementation of reservation policy in those companies who have 50% government and 50% private equity-like pattern LNG. Thank you, sir.
I have to inform members that a letter has been received from Sri Beni Prasad Verma, member, stating that he is unable to attend the sittings of the current 248th session due to ill health. He has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 31st January to 13th February 2019 during the current 248th session of the Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 31st January to 13th February 2019 during the current 248th session of the Rajya Sabha? The permission to remain absent is granted. I have to also inform members that a letter has been received from Sri Jose K. Mani, member, stating that he is unable to attend the sitting of the current 248th session due to preoccupation with party work. ऐसा नहीं लिखना चाहिए, but you should not write like that because everybody has got party work. He has to correct it, but subject to, because first time our session due to preoccupation, he has therefore requested for grant of leave of absence from 31st January to 13th February during the current 248th session of the Rajya Sabha. Does he have the permission of the House for remaining absent from 31st January to 13th February during the current 248th session of the Rajya Sabha? Does he have the permission? Yes. Permission to remain absent is granted. Any member writing to the chair seeking permission to be absent from the House has to state valid reason. Particularly the health and all, normally it is considered positively. Party work or other family work is not a reason that can be cited for asking for review. Statement by Minister Sri Kiran Rijiju.
Rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of recommendations contained in 188 report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Home Affairs on the action taken by the government on the recommendations, observations contained in the 178 report on disaster management in the country. Thank you.
Honorable members, I have received a notice from please sit down. Nothing shall go on record except what the chairman is saying. Professor Manoj Kumar Jha and Sri Ravi Prakash Verma, Sri Ram Gopal Yadav, Sri Ashok Siddhartha, Sri Rajan Bora has given notice on different subjects. One is about roster appointments in this is the House is urgent to meet at 2 p.m.